Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Mitsubishi Shogun. It's not easy, it's not intuitive at all, so follow the steps carefully. So from any screen, I'm on nav at the moment, but we go to phone, so click on phone there. So it's showing my phone there. Nothing's connected, otherwise you won't get this screen at all. But there's an arrow here, so we click the arrow, and then you've got edit or delete. So I'm going to press delete, and it seems to go back to the same screen, but now we've got delete here. Now what you have to do, select your phone, there's a tick there, click delete. Do you want to delete the Bluetooth device entry? Well, no, I've just gone through all that because I want to keep it. All right, delete. Deleting, please wait. That's it, it's gone. Phew. Talk about hard work. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Mitsubishi Shogun. I hope it's easier than deleting them. So here we go. We'll go on to settings. We'll watch out at the bottom. So watching out at the bottom there, over to the system, click on phone. The connection between Bluetooth device in progress, use the passkey 1212. So hands-free system, that's the one. 1, 2, 1, 2, pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. Usually when it does connect, we see the map. There we go, so Barry's iPhone connected there. And there we go, it shows you your map comes up. So that's it, that's connected. Let's just find out where it is, just to prove it. Hands-free system connected, that's it. Okay, I'll just show you how to play music, stream audio from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Mitsubishi Shogun. So the first thing we do is go to music. We'll see at the bottom, if I click there at the bottom, you've got iPhone and hands-free system. There's a tick next to hands-free system, which means any audio that plays on this phone will come through here if you've got this set correctly. So we'll go back, it's playing, we go over to media. Now we just make sure, this is on Bluetooth already. However, if it's not, you'll see source in there, in the corner, and then you've got FM. It could be on any one of those. All you have to do is click Bluetooth. It's on Bluetooth, then turn this up. That's it. I've got to say, that's not easy either. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2018 Mitsubishi Shogun. So from any screen, you've got map there. If you just want to see the map, see what's coming ahead of you, you just have to click OK, not to be distracted. But here we go, we've got nav there. So that's the map, you see what's coming up, and you can zoom in there. Let's say, oh, plus. So you can zoom in like so. However, nav, onto nav, address, junction, point of interest, postal code. We want postal code. England, postal code, all postal codes. So we'll go to postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, P R 5 4 E A, PL5 4EA. It's a long-winded system, this. So B, it's already defaulted to Blackburn Road. I don't want the house number, but I'm not sure whether it'll let me. It's let me set, right. So you've got to put the postcode and the street.
Please proceed to the indicated route.
And there you go. Again, I really don't think they could have made this system any more difficult. It's probably one of the most difficult systems and counterintuitive systems that I've ever used in my life. So I dare say there's a few people out there struggling too.